More than a decade ago, the Women in Manufacturing Association began our work to create a community for women in manufacturing careers. We are the only national trade association year-round working to support, promote, and inspire women in the industry. For many years, women felt like they weren't supported, where they didn't have a community, where they needed an opportunity to connect with others in industry. Our association has been able to provide women an opportunity to connect, to share resources, to benchmark, and to feel supported as they advance in their careers.
Organizations like WiM are important to women in the industry for a variety of reasons. Some of our individuals coming into manufacturing, it's their first time in manufacturing, and it gives them a chance to network with other women also in that same environment.
The biggest benefit is I've made so many amazing friends, and I've found so many amazing and supportive women that can help me grow in my career, thrive in my career, and really find my passion.
I think to see someone who is in a position that you'd like to be in someday, or who is doing something that you could really imagine yourself doing or see other women around you doing, it's incredibly empowering.
Organizations like WiM are important to the advancements of women in this industry because they help us group together and gain knowledge of the industry, and they allow us all to grow together and become successful.
I personally experienced the Leadership Institute, and it just gave me a lot of tools to utilize going forward in my career. I still have some of them on a bulletin board today that I look at every once in a while just to remind me of ways that I can approach different situations.
The Women in Manufacturing Association present day supports more than 29 local chapters that support our members having the opportunity to connect and share resources close to home.
It was one of those things where once the event was done, they really kind of came to me afterwards and said that we need to start doing something within our own facility, which they ended up starting their own women's group to be able to share and talk about the challenges that they may have.
Women in manufacturing currently make up 29% of the manufacturing workforce. There's an opportunity to not only increase the number of women in manufacturing, but our goal is to achieve more women in leadership positions in manufacturing companies. With more women in leadership positions, we can change cultures, recruiting tactics, and show more women the opportunities that they have to rise in this industry.
You know, having a diverse thought process, right, has really allowed us to really take on new challenges, look at things in a different way, has very positively impacted our organization as a whole. And I'm a big proponent of women in manufacturing. I would like to see a lot more women in manufacturing.
Those are the things that are important so that girls can see that women can achieve, and anything you want to do, you can do it.
Don't be your own critic. Don't let others tell you what you can or cannot do. Go for it. If you want it, go for it. Because if you don't go for it, then you never know.
Women in manufacturing will continue to support, promote, and inspire women in manufacturing careers. Our goal is to be a key ally for individual women as well as their companies, and to help women have successful careers in manufacturing.